Decarboxylation. So removal of carboxy group is known as decarboxylation. So decarboxylation reactions will always lead to the products which will have one carbon lesser than the starting material. First of all, a very common error which is done by most of the students is they perform decarboxylation on acid. Decarboxylation is not performed on acid, it is performed on acid salt. And there's one more reaction which is very similar to decarboxylation, coal-based decarboxylation. So that is also a pretty similar method, but when the word coal base is there, then we are going to perform electrolysis, and when decarboxylation only is mentioned, we are going to use soda lime. So let us quickly jump over to the screen for decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. So removal of carboxy group is known as decarboxylation, and it can be done in two ways. So for decarboxylation, one method is we take the salt of carboxylic acid, we treat it with soda lime, which is nothing but NaOH and CaO in the ratio 3:1 and also known as soda lime. There is a removal of Na2CO3, and what we get is alkane, and the byproduct is Na2CO3. During the process we require small amount of heat also, and the hydrocarbon, the alkane which we get, will have one carbon less than the starting compound. So if we start with benzoic acid, if we take sodium benzoate, we treat it with soda lime, heat it, get benzene and sodium carbonate. There is one more process in which decarboxylation takes place, that is known as coal-based electrolysis. It is quite similar to decarboxylation. The only thing what we do is we take the salt of the acid, and in water, when we electrolyze it, we get alkane, CO2, NaOH and hydrogen. Here, whatever is the starting alkyl group after this CO2, that gets repeated to give you an even number carbon atom alkane. So these are the two ways through which we are able to remove the carboxy group of carboxylic acid. So that's all for this video. We meet in the next video with some more information. Till then, take care of yourselves. God bless.